Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. Our privilege to have Ms. Quratulain Fatima. Welcome to our show. So you are the first woman officer who joined the Pakistan Air Force.
If I tell you that when I was growing up, I wanted to be a boy. Trades don't cross borders, then soldiers do. And I'm such a big believer in it. And I think trade can be one catalyst for peace and prosperity.
Pakistan Consulate Los Angeles recently organized Tech Investment Conference in Silicon Valley.
When I talk about California or the West Coast, organic products have a very big market here. We also have a big market for halal products. Pakistani American community in Los Angeles and California is one of the best. All the information is displayed on Consul General of Pakistan Los Angeles website.